Mean deviation, find the mean deviation about median for this data. Maths and number of girls are given, and number of girls will be acting as Fi frequencies, and this marks is your class interval. So first column which you have to make is mid points or mid values, mid xi. So this is marked as xi. So here you will have 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Now the next thing is again mean deviation about median it is. So the purpose is to find out the median. Now for that what we need, one more column which is CF. Using the frequency you have to find out what is corresponding cumulative frequency. First one 6, second will be the addition of these two, so it will give you 14. Next 14 plus 14, then 28 plus 16, then 44 plus 4 and 48 plus 2. So this will be actually your total frequency also. The last one of the cumulative frequency will be same as the total frequency. Okay, that is capital N or small n, whatever you can mention here, small n or capital N. When you have frequency like this, you just take it as capital N. When you have only xi's, you take small n. Okay. Now what you need about median means you have to find out what is median. Now again we have to calculate what is n by 2. N by 2 is 50 by 2, which is 25, and you have to check the value which is greater than or equal to 25 in the cumulative frequency, this column. Okay, so you can see that 28 is the value which is just greater than 25. So the cumulative frequency which is greater than or equal to n by 2, that is 25, you have to find out, and that value you are getting as 28, and corresponding to that value you have to go correspondingly to the class interval, and that corresponding class interval will give you the median class. So the median class is this one, 20 to 30. Okay, so your median class is equal to 20 to 30. Now from that what all values you need for finding out the median? M is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F whole into H. What will be L here? It will be the lower limit of the median class. So L is equal to 20. Then n by 2 already you have found out, it is 25. N by 2 is 25. Then you need F frequency. This will be the corresponding frequency. So F is equal to 14. Now this C will be the cumulative frequency of the median class which is preceding the, of the class interval which is preceding the median class. So this is the median class, its preceding class is 10 to 20 and its corresponding CF is 14. So this 14 will be acting as C, this C. Okay, so C is equal to 14, and H will be what? It will be the class size. So it will be 30 minus 20, upper limit minus lower limit. So you will get it to be 10. Replacing all the values, you will get the median. And after that you have two more columns. What are they? They are mod of xi minus the median value which you will get, and Fi into mod of xi minus the median value. Okay, these are the two columns which you need to find out in order to get mean deviation. Now going for the value, it will be 20 plus n by 2 is 25 minus C is 14, F is also 14 into H. Calculating, what you will get, 20 plus 25 minus 14, 11 by 14 into 10, or 20 plus 55 by 7, or 20 plus 55 by 7 will give you 7.86. So the answer for the median is 27.86. Now you have to use this value here to get what is mod of xi minus m in each case. 5 minus 27.86, that will give you 22.86. Then 15 minus 27.86 will give you 12.86. Then next is 25 minus 27.86. Again modulus taking, so you don't have any negative sign and you will get 2.86. Now what is 35 minus 27.86? 7.14. So next will be 17.14, then 27.14. You just check, you will get like this. Okay, now you have to find out what is Fi into these values. Fi is again this. Should be very careful while taking the values, which one you have to get. Fi, this into this value. So 6 into 22.86. Calculate. So correspondingly you will get these multiplications, Fi into, and then summing up you are getting 517.16. Yes, so MD about M is 1 by N into this formula, and we are replacing and getting 10 point, how much? 34? 34, okay, correct. Have to calculate the mean deviation about mean, but the data given here is not continuous, so one process is extra here, which is you have to make it in the continuous form. For that what we will do, from the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5 and add 0.5 to the upper limit. So this will become 15.5, that is 16 minus 0.5 will give you 15.5 here, and this will become 20.5, so that when you do the same process for the next one, you will have this as 20.5 and this one as 25.5. So you can just see that the upper limit of the above one and the lower limit of the next one both are same. So this will make the process continuous. Okay, here you will have 25.5 to 30.5, then 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, and 50.5 to 55.5. So this is the extra step here. Remaining else is same, that is first thing. So this is your now class interval. So after finding out the class interval or making it as continuous, what you need to do, the next column will be mid xi, okay, mid value. That will act as xi. Again, what is the midpoint of this 15.5 to 20.5? 18. Then here you will have 23, then 28, 33, 38, 43, 48 and 53, correct? Next, what we need to find out, again it is about median. About median means this is your Fi, acting as Fi. So you need to calculate what is CF. Next column is CF. 5 plus 6 is next one, 11. Then 11 plus 12, you will get 23. Then 23 plus 14 will give you 37. Then plus 26, 63. Then plus 12, 75. Plus 16, 91. Plus 9. So it should coincide with the total number of people given here. Otherwise you have gone wrong somewhere. You have to check again. Okay, so it should give you 100, which will be the total of this, the last one. Next column is, first one we will find out what is n by 2. That is next, after, before that, drawing the next column, we have to find out what is median. N by 2, what is n by 2? 100 by 2, this is n. 100 by 250, you have to take the CF, which is greater than or equal to 50 here. Greater than or equal to 50 will give you this one. So correspondingly you will get this as the interval. Okay, you should not go here, this is acting as the interval. Now here you need this also, right? Now what all things you need for finding out the median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. Replacing the values. L, what will be acting as L? This one. This is L, the lower limit of the median class. This is your median class, right? Median class is which is giving you the corresponding value of CF which is greater than or equal to 50. So median class will be 35.5 to 40.5. Now from this you will get L as 35.5, replacing the values. We will calculate 35.5 plus n by 2 you have calculated, it is 50 minus C. Now which one will be C? It is the cumulative frequency of the class interval which is preceding the median class. So this is the preceding class. So 37 is the cumulative frequency C, and F is this one, that is median class corresponding, the frequency corresponding to the median class, that is 26 into H. H how much? The subtraction will give you, the class size will give you 5. Okay, so this is into 5. Replacing the values and calculating 50 minus 37, how much it will be? 13, and 13 by 26 will give you 1 by 2 here. So this will become 35.5 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. So the answer which you are getting is 37, okay, 38, yes, 38. 35.5 plus 2.5 which is 38. So that is your median. Now you have to use it there. Column will be mod of xi minus m which is 38. And one more column which is fi into mod of xi minus 38. Okay, these are the two things which you need now. Now what is xi? Xi column is this one. So 18 minus 38, and take the modulus means you are just having that positive value. So you will get it to be 20. 18 minus 38, mod of 18 minus 38 will give you minus 20. So negative you have deleted. Now what is mod of 23 minus 38? 15. Okay, next 28 minus 38, 10. Then 33 minus 38 will give you 5, only taking the positive, remember always, okay, we are taking the positive value only. Again 38 minus 38, 0, 43 minus 38, 5, 15, sorry, 5, 10, 15, right? Now fi into fi, again fi is 5, 5 into this column, okay, this column into this one will give you 100, then 15 into 6 will give you 90, then 120, then 14 into 5 will give you 70, 26 into 0, 12 into 5, 16 into 10, and 9 into 15. 9 into 15 will give you 135. Okay, now take the sum of all these. Mean deviation about mean, you have to represent like this. About mean is like this, about mean is x bar. Okay, about median, okay, this is about median. About median, what you will get? 1 by n into sigma fi into mod of xi minus m. 1 by n, n you have got 100, so 1 by 100 into 735 will give you, our answer is 7.35. Okay,